John 13, verses 34 to 35. A new command I give you. Love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. By this, everyone will know that you are my disciples, if you love one another. In observance of the Holy Week, Home Radio 97.9 is signing off. Our regular operations will resume on Easter Sunday. May your Holy Week be a time of deep reflection and spiritual growth.
You are listening to Home Radio 97.9 DWQZ-FM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Insular Broadcasting System, Inc., authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number 3019, effective from December 9, 2025 to expire on December 8, 2028. Radio station Home Radio 97.9 DWQZ-FM operates with a power of 25,000 watts. Our studio is located at 20th floor City State Center, 709 Shaw Boulevard, Barangay Oranbol, Pasig City. And our transmitter is located at Nuestra Senora de la Paz Subdivision, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. Home Radio 97.9 DWQZ-FM is operated and maintained by the following personnel duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Eugene C. Castro with PRC license number PECE 808. Shelu R. Tingon with PRC license number ECE 0062336. Joel D. Leonidas with PRC license number ECE 0076283. First class radio telephone operators Roderick M. Luna with license number 92-1PNCR-1464. Raymond C. Torres with license number 97-1PIII-19099. Ramon T. Cerillo with license number 93-1PNCR-2238. Home Radio 97.9 DWQZ-FM now concludes another day of broadcasting. Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.